Morning, y'all. So I have another situation I need some help on. I just recently replaced or threw in a resonator because I just had so much drone, so I had to kill the drone. So I threw in a twister, 30-inch twister, and I put it right down at the base of where the downpipe comes down and then flattens out, and I made it so that it was right there on the edge. I'm getting this weird whistling noise now. I'm gonna try and replicate it. You can hear that. So it only happens between like 15, 16 RPM or 1600 RPM and 2000. And then it goes away, but then when I get to a higher RPM, it kind of sounds like it comes back, but at a different pitch. So the really noticeable one is between 15 and 2, and it doesn't always happen. If I'm going a little faster, it seems to be like harder to have that, to get the note to come, but it's just it's just like a different tone, different pitch than the actual turbo. So it sounds to me like maybe there's a leak, or my thought is like on the intake, I don't know, maybe is the intake dirty and it's creating, you know how like when you put a blade of grass between your thumbs and then you blow on it, like it creates a pitch. I'm wondering if something is dirty in there, or I'm hoping there's no like gasket that's leaking. Has anybody ever experienced that sound or heard it? Just kind of think of some things that could cause that issue. It's getting really annoying. I just want it gone. So I guess I'm gonna post this, see if somebody can give me some ideas, and then if not, then I'm just gonna start ripping apart my intake and seeing. I don't even know how to test to see what that would be. But thanks for the input. Kind of got a straight area where I can try and replicate that sound some more, so it's kind of hard. I think the only way you can hear it is with the windows down, so give me a second. It's too much wind. Hold on a second, let me slow down a little. Right around 30 and 40, I think it puts some more stress on or load on it, so it's easier to hear. Plus, if there's like a fence there, it like ricochets the sound. Turn this corner, it'll probably be easier to hear. I don't know if because of the drone I had, I couldn't hear it before, but it is super annoying. I'll let you hear what it sounds like when I really romp on the turbo. The thing I really like the most about this resonator is that it makes the turbo shine a lot more. Before it was just getting drowned out by the freaking drone. You could barely even hear anything. I mean, you could hear the turbo, but it was just super taken over by the drone. Right there. Hear that secondary pitch? You hear the turbo whistling, but there's like another note in there. Try and get it again. Difficult there. On red light. Let's go. You're right here, this wall. Hear it?